What is the standard voltage for most general-purpose wall outlets in U.S. homes? 120 volts. What does the ground pin, the round or U-shaped prong on a standard U.S. plug do? Provides a path for fault current to trip the breaker. How many small appliance branch circuits are required by the NEC for a typical single-family kitchen? 220 circuits. In a standard 120 volts, 15 a bedroom receptacle circuit, which of the following devices provides code-compliant protection? AFC breaker only. In a residential bedroom, which of the following protections is mandated by the NEC? Surge protective device SPOD.